You want to start forex trading business and you want to make profits, but you don't have any capital to get started. This is exactly what you need. As you can see that $165 was withdrawn on the 27th of October. That was last month, and this money was made with zero capital. Let me refresh this page, and you see that this money is going to be, as you can see, that this money is still there, right? It means it's 100% real. Make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Hey guys, your friend Abiyemi is here. So today we're going to learn how you can start trading forex without even having a dime. Okay, you don't have money at all, you don't have any capital, and you want to start. Maybe you have little knowledge, but I want you to know that before you can start trading forex, you must have a basic knowledge, because I'm just going to do this. I'm not really teaching the deeper, right, that from the beginning for those who do not know anything about forex. So you must have know how you can install your MetaTrader 4. You must know about lot size, all those things that you must know about forex as a trader. Okay, so now, but maybe you know about that, but you don't have money to start trading. So this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to send the first link that you're going to see on the description below. That is what we're going to use to sign up. So you just go straight. So you're going to align on this platform called Paybis platform. Okay, so you're going to land on it. Then what you need to do, maybe you have an account then before with them before. When we log in to the platform, you're going to see what you're going to do. Then if you don't have account before, just click on the link first link on the description below. Click on it, then you sign up, right? So how can you sign up? So make sure everybody should make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end to learn one or two things, right? So then what I'm going to do next, you just click on open an account. When you click on open an account, the platform asks you to enter email address. So I'm going to use a dummy email address, right? So I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to come back and click address, then I'm going to enter Yemi, all right, as a trader, right? So you're going to register as a trader. So they ask you to create a password. So I'm going to use temporary. So let me just copy this as a temporary one. So use the temporary. So it will ask you if you want to send a message to this platform, right? So we'll be expecting message from that platform to verify the accounts here. So it will be send it to the email address that you used. I'm just using this email as a demo for demo accounts. I have an account with them before, but I just want to create from the scratch for those who do not have an ABS account, and for the what's going to happen in the new account as well, right? So then we are waiting for the message right here. So I'm still waiting for the message. Let me just pause this video now. All right, so we just got the message right here. So as you can see, confirm. Then we're gonna scroll down. Then you're gonna click on confirm. I confirm. You're gonna click on I confirm. Then the email has been confirmed. Then you're gonna click on proceed. Then you need to do your verification as well. But before that, let's just be going gradually. Then what you're going to do right here, just click on MetaTrader 4. And you're going to leave it on USD. This you might not leave, I leave that one. Then on the leverage, those are the reason why I said you must have little basic knowledge, because I might not have time. I do not have time to be explaining all this leverage or no leverage. So you can choose either this or this is the best, right? So let me just choose 1.500. Then you click on open an account. Once you click on open an account, it's going to give you this information. This is your own information to log in to ABS platform. Maybe you want to deposit later, or you want to withdraw your profit. Okay, so this is going to be for the central, right? Then this one is going to be for the MT4 that they're going to install. So what you're going to do next is just to copy all this. You're going to copy all of them. Copy the MetaTrader 4, copy Let me just copy them. So I don't really need this here, but we need it. Okay, we need it. Then copy this one as well. Then the MetaTrader server MT6, you need to copy everything, right? You need to copy everything and save them somewhere. Then it says proceed to personal area. Then right here, the next thing you're gonna do right here is just to confirm your phone number. The phone number that you're using, you need to confirm it. Then the verify the identity. I think you'll be able to use your international passport, driver license, the NIMC, that is NIN, that is the plastic card, the plastic one, right? Then scroll down. When you scroll down, you're gonna see a bunch of bonuses right here. So you're gonna see this. Let's check here. So you can see we have open $50 no deposit bonus to get 500. So what are you gonna do? This is exactly what you're gonna see and choose. All right, that is get bonuses. I got bonus now. So it means you're gonna have a capital to start trading on this account, but unfortunately you must have must confirm your account. Oh my god, open bonus account and get, you can see open the bonus account and get $50 for free, then trade 2 losses in total and make profit. Those are the what you should be able to do, which you can actually do. Then when it's trade 2 lots in total, okay, anytime you trade it, then you're gonna withdraw the profits. Okay, transfer the profits you make to your real account, or you can transfer the profit you make to your real account. So those are the things that you're going to do. Just simple task. Okay, guys, just simple task. I'm going to give you a solution to this as well. Then once you have done all the verification, you'll be able to see open a bonus account. So they will credit you $50 and you can start your. So the next thing you're going to do right here now is coming to as your dashboard. Then you're going to see for Windows, but you want to install your MetaTrader 4. Okay, you cannot do this on phone. You can only do it on your PC, right? On your must have computer, either a desktop or laptop for this. Then you're going to see MetaTrader 4, right? So click on it, and you want to install and download it on your system, then install it. Once you install it, then what you're going to do next is just to log in with the information that I told you to save the other time. Where you see MT4 login, MetaTrader 4 login, MetaTrader 4 password, and receive account, whatever else that it give you there. So all those are the information I'm going to use to log in. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is let's go to the MetaTrader 4. So this is the MetaTrader 4. So we have our tools right here, and they are actually very simple, right? So as you can see, we have general trend right here. As you can see, you have general trend. Then on this platform right here, so suppose that I was online before, so I must have entered this market all the way from here, right? I must have entered it all the way from this place. I must have entered this market all the way from here, okay? Because the trend market is saying that is trend analyzer is giving us that the overall trend is showing us the overall trend that's going down, right? The check is going down. So now let me tell you one secret. We're actually following. You can see that we have different arrows, like 2 arrows here, right? We have a small arrows, we have a big arrow. So we are actually following a big arrow. When big arrow appears, that is when we follow the market, right? Then as you can see right here, we have there is one say buy here, but we don't follow that. So you can see big arrow in red, and our trend analyzer, as is saying a down trend. Okay, so we now be entering only sell right here. Like this one is a buy, so we ignore the buy signal. You ignore the buy signal. You ignore the buy signal. You ignore the buy signals. Okay, because the trend analyzer is still telling us that the market is still on sale. And as you can see that we are on GBP USD. So let's check GBP USD. GBP USD, I marked it yesterday when I entered it here yesterday. All right. And as you can see, the trend analyzer is also saying sell. You can see the arrows facing down. Okay. So any buy on this platform at the moment, you ignore it. Any buy, you ignore it whenever. So when you see, so when the market has been selling all the way from here, it has been selling all the way from here. Okay, it has been selling all the way from here, so ignore all this buy and still give us buy, sell. Ignore all this buy, ignore all this buy, ignore this buy. So I saw all this yesterday and I ignored all of them, right? I ignored all of them. Then and when I saw another sell, then I enter the rest. So that's why I marked this place right there like that. And you can see the market is even still going right here. I already closed this. Okay, and see that I already logged the profits right here. Okay, so guys, this is what I'm going to use. This is what you are going to use. That is, if you are interested, this is what you're going to use, and it's going to be, you know, this is fire, right? This is fire for those who are trading forex markets. You can see the trend analyzer is still saying, so all this buy, no, you can't enter the buy right here. Okay, we are entering only sell. So let's check another one. You can see the trend analyzer still saying sell right here. Okay, so this buy is just a trace bar retracement. Okay, it's just a retracement. It's still coming. The market is still coming down, right? The market is still coming down. Then let's check this. So you can see USD CHF, that one is buy trend, right? It's on buy trend. It's buying. That's it, buying. So you can see it's so it has started buying all the way from here. So all the sales, right? Yeah, no. So then I can just even enter buy signal right here. I just enter buy signal. So let me just put the signals, your stop loss to, you know, the nearest. So now you can see that I just put my stop loss in that place now. So actually, I'm supposed to enter around this place. That's where I'm supposed to enter, right? Okay, so then we'll be watching it. So that is exactly how this indicator works. So if you know that you want to lay your hands on trading forex and make some money for yourself, okay, so you can just go for this. All you need to do is just to sign up. All right, all you need to do is just to sign up to Paybis or any other platform that you think are new to this channel. This channel is Adeyemi Oluwaseun, and it's all about teaching people and showing them different opportunities to make money for themselves on either free opportunity or paid one. So if you like this video and want to be getting more of this, I want you to click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop new content, YouTube will notify you that I just dropped new content to this channel. Thank you.